Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome. And please, if you like the content, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to click on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my new uploads. So before I start making the all-purpose cleaner, I want to tell you a little bit about the essential oils that I'll be using to make this all-purpose cleaner. So I'll be using rosemary, and rosemary has good is a good ingredient to put into an all-purpose cleaner because it has antiseptic properties, it has antiviral properties, and it has antibacterial properties. Next, I'm using lavender oil. Lavender oil has good antibacterial properties in it. And also, last but not least, is peppermint oil. I'll be using peppermint oil because peppermint oil is good, has good sanitizing agents in it, and it's also a good deodorizer. And other ingredients I'll be using is Castile soap. I'll be using distilled white vinegar, and I'll be using distilled water. And of course, you need something to put the ingredients in, so I have a spray bottle. And I also labeled my spray bottle, which is good. If you make your own stuff, make sure you label your bottles so you know exactly what you made, what's in it, and stuff like that. So let's get started. So with the rosemary, I'll be doing 30 drops of rosemary, and I'll be pouring it into this cup. So bear with me. If you want to count along while I pour, you can do so. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, finally. Next, I'm going to add 15 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I'll be adding 10 drops of peppermint. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. That one was coming out real fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it by twirling it around like this to get all of the fragrances well incorporated. And then, and I smell it to see what it smells like. All right. I'm smelling mostly the rosemary because I put more of that in there. And then I smell peppermint. Peppermint is usually strong. So I got that mixed up. Next, before I start mixing, I want to show you I also have some tools here for measuring. I got a cup right here. I have a half a cup, and I have a teaspoon, and I have a funnel for easy pouring. So first, I'm going to put 1½ cup of white distilled vinegar. Get 1½ cup. 1 cup right there. Then half a cup right there. Okay. Be careful when you're doing this, not to make a mess. I'm going to try my best not to make a mess. Put that right there. And then you want to take your spray bottle funnel, this over here. We'll move this to the side. Alright. I'm going to pour 1 cup. Ready? Let's do this! Alright, so that's 1. And then 1.5 cup. Woo, okay, that's 1.5 cup. Yeah, I filled it up to the brim. So that's 1.5 cup. Next, I'm gonna do 3 cups of distilled water. Okay, we'll do 3 cups of distilled water. Open up this big thing and pour it in here. Ugh. Oh my gosh, so that's 1 cup in there. That's 1. All right. That's 1. Trying to see if I really need 3 cups, but we'll see. That's 1. Got 2. About to go in. Woo. Lifting up this gallon is heavy. 2. Okay. I think I could do another one. 3. I said 3, so let's see. Let me see. This will be good. Alright. Oh, wow. Wow. It's perfect. Wow. Alright. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Castile soap. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of Castile soap. I'll fill it all the way up to the tippy top. Then I pour it in there. See that? Pour that in there. Pour that all in there. Pour that in there. I don't want to waste anything, guys. Everything gets in there. And then, last but not least, our essential oil mixture goes in there as well. Alright, then what you want to do is put the top back onto your spray bottle. If you have a smaller spray bottle, of course use less. And you can go use less. So we're gonna shake this up. Shake it up. So there you have it. You got your all-purpose cleaner. Shake it up real well, and you can use it for your bathrooms. You can use it for your kitchen, any other surface areas that need to be clean. It's simple, it's all natural, and these things I'm pretty sure you can find around your house. Like if you can't go to the store to buy these products, like you could probably find them around your house and put them together, and make something like this. And essential oils, if you need, you can always Google search them online, and you'll be able to find many products that many companies actually that carry essential oils that you can use. And do a little research too. I've been doing research on these oils to find out like their uses and stuff like that, and you can use essential oils for so many different things. You'll be surprised. And so Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with anyone that you think this video would be of service to. And yeah, so thank you once again, and remember, aim for modesty, carry your beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. I'll see you all in the next video. Later.